Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll simply show you how to add discounts to your products on Shopify. So as you can see here, I'm on my Shopify homepage. Simply go to discounts to add a new discount. And then as you can see, I don't have any discount. So click on create discount either here or here. And here you can choose the discount type. Is it amount of product in percentage or amount of money? If it's buy X get Y or buy like 2 get 1 free, amount of order, the whole order, or a free shipping coupon. So here I want to add an amount of product, so click on it. And here you'll be redirected to this page. Now, whether it's a discount code that you send to your clients or automatic discount that will apply automatically for all clients. And let's rename it, for example, Summer 20. Now, the discount value, if it's a percentage like a 10% or 20% off the order, or a set a fixed amount like, for example, $20. Let's make it here a percentage, okay, 20%. If it's applied to specific collections or specific products. So here, as a specific product, you can add or browse the product that you want the coupon to apply. I only have one product, and you can even apply the discount to specific variants. So let's say I want to apply to this hoodie to all variants except for the brown, okay, or you can leave it all chosen. And here you can set the availability. So it's also available on point of sales or locations or online only. You can set a minimum purchase amount. So the client has to purchase with a minimum amount in order to get the discount, or minimum quantity of items if you want to. So if you want, you can set it to 3. So buy at least 3 items to get the discount. Now here you can combine this discount with product discounts or order discounts or shipping discount. So you can combine many discounts at once. And here you have the date, and you can add a start date here. The start date is added automatically on the date you create the discount. You can set an end date here. So let's say I want it to end in like 3 days. If you don't set an end date, your discount will stay like indefinitely on your store. So that's pretty much it. Once you save your changes, the discount code will be applied automatically once the customer has the eligible products and has the minimum quantity of items or minimum purchase amount, and the discount will be applied automatically. So just click on save, and once the changes are saved, you are all set to go.